Hey everyone, this is probably 5 or 6, I'm not quite sure. And again, this is a Labrador Retriever, Labrador Retriever, not paying attention to you guys. Okay, back to what I was saying. I'm gonna actually go back all the way to my 7th grade year and do a little brief about it. And during the student council for me and stuff, we decided to purchase a vending machine and stuff. And then during my 8th grade year, that's where the money comes from and stuff. So now I'm gonna jump forward to my 9th grade year and stuff. I was still in student council. I got to see my teachers and stuff, and tragically happened to the boy that him and 3 other buddies passed away. And now that part's over. Then when I got to my 10th grade year, I believe it was my 10th grade year, or my 9th grade year, I was bullied by someone else. It was probably my 11th grade year, if I remember correctly. Then I was bullied by the school because they said I wasn't going to graduate on time. But I told them I had a combination, and I ended that. So I actually did graduate in 2011 in May. And then at the end, my grade point average was a 3.65 average of a GPA. Or I think it was a 3.5. So I was nearly almost the top of the class. And that's pretty much it. So, okay. Here's the next video coming soon. You guys know the rules and stuff. Wait a minute. I might have some more time to actually now put this, what I'm going to say, into this video. You guys know the rules about my contest is down below. And also there's merchandise. So actually you probably get to see what occurred. So what do you want, Lab? Anything you want to say to the subscribers? Oh, come on. You're taking over my channel again? I guess so. So you just took over this video. Hell of it, I'm just gonna make a part. The next part. Rules down below. Have the contest. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I changed my mind. It's gonna be the next video.